Hey everybody, this is a 2000 Freightliner. It's got a little over 161,000 miles on it. Has the inline 6 cat diesel powerhouse. We're going to go ahead and turn it over for you. You can see, guys, no blow by. It's a strong running engine. Sounds really good. Put that back on. I don't see any oil leaking anywhere off the head. I don't hear any exhaust leaks. And of course, this has the pal finger style crane on it. So, guys, the thing sounds absolutely good. The guys that run this thing said it's got a lot of horsepower. It's got the 5-speed manual transmission, so obviously not going to be a huge speed demon. We'll show you everything working.